All right, this is an update on my workshop. Um, as you can see, I got my NOC and my iOS sitting here, my F770. That's a HK400XM. That's almost done. I've already changed the belts. I've actually had to change. This one was thrown into a wall by previous owner or someone along the way. It works, but it's every knob was bent on it. My Akai GF66R, which you guys probably have seen, RC or whatever that deck is. It's ready to go. It's waiting for the green piece for the outer reverse, the indicator light. The physical piece disappeared during the work on it, and I think it's over there underneath the Nakamichi. But back to the workshop. Workshop's here. Yeah, this is all the stereo gear that's going back on the rack. The rack's going over here. The wall just got done. I am putting a wood floor in, or laminate floor in. This looks good. The electrical's up there. It's not in the boxes yet, but it will be soon. This one will be a solar powered workshop slash, when I run out of solar. I've got 7 kilowatts of battery sitting in here. That's online right now. That's another thing I improved with. The only thing I need, because this is underneath the stove house, is to all the septic pipes, push them up. And get the hot water and finish off the cold water PEX tubing. I did a significant amount of PEX already. I want to do the whole thing in PEX because I got water. I want to get water. That's the blue line. I want to get the water all the way down the front. That wall's going 2 more feet out. That's one of the last big pieces right there. But I am so looking forward to getting my stereo rack back together. I got lots of stuff that's waiting. And since I just painted this, I'm like, this is the one. My bows are feeling better now. Than sooner or later they can see the light at the end of the tunnel. Anyhow, I thought I'd give you guys an update just because it's some of you guys actually asked for me to post some. This is Dave from Saving Our Sanctuary. I'm also going to have it on our site, and I'm out.